Hello, 你好. Welcome back to Cantonese Chit Chat. In the last video, we learned the 6 basic tones in Cantonese. Today, we're going to learn the 3 entering tones. You can call them the short tones. Entering tones are a bit different. The syllable ends in P, T, or K, and the sound is short and quick, even though the pitch follows tone 1, 3, or 6. Let's review the 6 basic tones and add the 3 entering tones at the end. C, 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 sick, seat, sick. Let's look at an example of how the ending and tone changes meaning. Remember, tone 1 is C, and if we add a K at the end, it's sick, sick. You can hear it's short and clipped, and you cannot hear me pronouncing the K sound at the end. Tone 3 is C, and adding a T at the end is seat, seat. The ending is short and clipped, and we don't pronounce the T sound at the end. Tone 6 is C. Adding a K at the end is sick, sick. Notice that even when the vowel and consonant sound are similar, the tone and ending can completely change the meaning. You can hear that entering tones are short and clipped. You cut off right before you pronounce the T, P, or K sound. That's why you don't hear the ending sound when I say sick, seat, sick. Numbers are always a fun way to practice tones, including ending tones. Repeat after me. 七, 七, 八, 八, 六, 六. Let's practice all together. 3, 9, 4, 0, 5, 2, 7, 8, 6. Let's do it one more time. 3, 9, 4, 0, 5, 2, 7, 8, 6. That's our introduction to Cantonese entering tones. Make sure to keep practicing your tones, and I will see you in the next video. 下次見